Hi, welcome to Dude Kids A to Z channel viewers, and in this video I'm going to teach you about accounting basic concept, like while going for decision making in a business, how accounting helps us. Generally the people who will come from engineering or science background, they are not aware of the accountings, right? So the terminology, basic terminal where we use accounting, that I will show in this video. So here the financial accounting involves recording, summarizing and reporting the stream of transaction and economic activities resulting from business operations over a period of time. That means it will summarize and report or record all the business activities that we in the systematic manner. The and in next point we can say governed by a standard set of practices. Financial accounting ends product is a set of official company financial statements, includes the balance sheet and income statements. So in accounting we are including balance sheet and income statement. So here the statements will help the managers, investors and analysts, lenders and other stakeholders to take their own decisions based on this financial accountings. And the next topic we have here, we have the definition of accounting. So the accounting is a process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decision by users of the information. That means it will permit the economic or financial activities in the documented format, which will help for decision making in a easier manner. And the next definition we have is the function of accounting is to provide qualitative information primarily to financial nature about economic entities that is needed to be useful in making economic decisions. You people can be surprised that economic is nothing but as finance, like money is called as economic in accounting terminology. So I hope you understand this decision. And now we'll go for we have like typical account information system for decision making. Like the following are the typical example of how accounting information is useful for decision making. So we have three mainly use it for decision making, that is budgeting information system, economic resource information and price level changes. Like budgeting is like bifurcating the information, and economic resources based on the money transactions what we do, and the price level is based on the prices or expenses what we have incurred. So you can see the in the next slide, which you can see the billing determination. Like you can see the segment. So this is the example for budget report. You can see like salaries, wages, telephone expenses, suppliers, travels, and other expenses. These are all called the budgeting decision making tables. And the next we have is the overall accounting information system for decision making table. See, so how accounting helps? Like first, business activities and transactions will convert into data and record the data. After that, the processing of data will convert into communication, and that communication goes to the decision makers, and they do the decision making based on the accounting statement. This image will clearly represent the decision making of accounting cycle. And the next we have is accounting report, which helps to decision making. Basically, we have four, which is majorly classified for decision making in accounting. That is balance sheet and income statement, and the statement of owner's entity, and the statement of changes in financial positions. Like balance sheet is like we'll be preparing in the end of the income statements is statements or reports which will match revenue earned by the firms against the expenses incurred in providing the revenue. The expenses of revenue over expenses is called net income, or laws, and this helps to make the decision making. And the statements of owner entity means statements shown for the changes that have occurred in the owner's entity during accounting period. Similar statements as I have shown in the next slide, you can see this. And here comes the statements how the owner's entity looks like you can see, right? Like example, ABC company total financial year, right? Owner's entity of the month added net income and less the withdrawal by owner in the particular year and the owner entity of the total year. This is a statement of owner entity. So the last report we can see the statement of changes in financial positions, that in this financial statement position we can see the cash inflow and cash outflow, where in cash inflow we have business operation and from other operations like investment by owners, bank loan, etc. And in cash flow we have to purchase equipments, to pay dividend, and finally we'll get the income in cash during the period. So these are all the statements of reports. So this is about the decision making table. For your reference, I have made the keywords of accounting information in decision making. If you remember this, it will be easy for you to remember the accounting decision making process. So the first point is like accounting is the language of business. So it is a language of business. The underlying purpose of accounting is to provide financial information about economic entity. Balance sheet is formally called the statement of financial positions. That statements reports the financial condition of an accounting entity at a particular point of time about economic resources or assets and economic obligations or liabilities. That means balance sheet will help you to see the financial position of the business throughout the year, whatever the expenses or assets or liabilities you have, incomes, expenditures, that will be seen in the balance sheet. And the income statement is a financial report or statement. So the income statement is a financial report or statement that presents the revenues and the expenditures of the business. That means the revenues is nothing but as incomes, like overall income what you have gained in the business, including the expenses. And the last point we need to remember is owner's entity is a statement of owner's entity, shows the changes that have occurred in the owner's capital during accounting period. The owner's capital is nothing but investment. Capital is nothing but as investment which have invested in the business. This will show the statement of the owner's income and expenditure statements. And I hope this video will help for the MBA students who are not the background of accounting background. They will be helpful from this video, I guess. Like if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and support me. If you have any questions, kindly comment in the comments. Thank you so much for your lovely support. Thank you.